At the end of harvest, every Seedworks crate gets a seal. 9 little tiles, the digits 1 to 9, one of each. And at 2 edges of the seal, the press stamps a number.
2 numbers? Then it is 2 puzzles. We each take one, and we never have to agree.
1 seal, 2 reeds, the same 9 tiles doing 2 different jobs.
Caw! Tilt it your way first. Watch. I tilt the whole seal to the left, and 3 straight lines appear. What do you think I read along one line?
Caw's top line is 2, then 6, then 5. Read it left to right, exactly like a number. 2 hundreds, 6 tens, 5 ones. 265. His next line is 4, 8, 7. 487. His last is 9, 1, 3. 913. 3 lines, 3 numbers, and every tile used once.
Read one backwards and you get 562. Same tiles.
Same tiles, different number. 562 is not 265. A line is always read left to right. Hundreds, tens, ones.
My turn. I tilt it to the right. My lines lean the other way. They climb as they go right. Do I read the same numbers Caw did?
New lines, new numbers. Craw's first line is 942, 942. Her middle line is 186, 186. Now watch the 8 in the very middle. In Caw's read, it is the tens of 487. In Craw's read, it is the tens of 186. 1 tile, 2 jobs, and nothing moved. Three, 7, 5. 375. And the tile at the right corner does the same trick as the 8. It is the ones digit for Caw and the ones digit for Craw.
One of those pressed numbers is mine. Add my 3 and you will see.
Caw's 3 numbers stacked make 1,665, and that is exactly the number pressed at his edge. Craw's 3 make 1,503, the number pressed at hers. So a finish seal has to make both, and if the press stamped only one edge, you add each direction and keep the direction whose sum matches.
Rain washed a tile off this one. Now Sunny has to try every tile from 1 to 9.
I will not try 9 tiles. I started the ones column because nothing arrives there yet. No flag has come in. And look where Caw's ones column sits. It is the very edge his number is pressed on. 7, 9, and the empty seat. 7 and 9 make 16. The press total ends in 4, so this column must end in 4 as well. 16, and which tile ends in 4? 8! 16 and 8 is 24.
Then write 24 under the ones. 2 digits, 1 column. Done!
A column keeps 1 digit. The 4 stays. The 2 tens lift out of the 24 and become a flag standing over the tens column.
Every full 10 trades into the next place. The flag is a message to that column. This is what arrived.
So the tens count the flag that arrived. 2, then 3, 5, and 1. 11 tens. 1 stays, and 100 goes up as the next flag. The hundreds count that flag. Then 4, 6, and 2. 13. 1,314, 'cause pressed edge is true. And remember, a flag belongs to the next column. Count it once, there, and nowhere else.
Two seats, 2 tiles. 50-50. Just guess. You will be right half the time.
No guessing. Craw's ones column is the empty top seat, a 3 and a 7. 10 and 4 ends in 4, so the 4 goes on top, and I cross the 4 off the tray. Now 1 seat and 1 tile are left. The 2 places itself. No calculation needed at all.
Three empty seats. Start anywhere. They are all the same.
They are not. Read the card before you fill it. Caw's ones column has 2 empty seats. Craw's ones column has only 1. 1 empty is always the clearest place to begin. Craw's ones are 4, 3, and 1 empty. 7, and which tile ends in 4? 7! The right corner is a 7! Now look again at both reads. That 1 tile just made Caw's ones column ready. 7, 9, and 1 empty. 16 and 8 ends in 4. The 8 goes to the bottom, and the 2 places itself.
Two empty seats and 4 waiting tiles. That is a dozen pairs to try. Good luck!
I never try a dozen. I find the smallest and the largest first. The 2 smallest waiting tiles are 2 and 4. 9 and 6 is 15. The 2 largest are 7 and 8. 9 and 15 is 24. So this column has to land somewhere between 15 and 24, and it must end in 4. Between 15 and 24, only 24 ends in 4. The pair is 7 and 8. Craw's ones column holds a 3 instead. Smallest, 9. Largest, 18. It must end in 4. Only 14 fits. So her pair is 4 and 7. And that is a rule you can keep. 3 different digits always add to something from 6 to 24.
Now we are both stuck. Caw needs a 7 and an 8. Craw needs a 4 and a 7. Neither of us can finish alone.
Then look at the right corner. It is the one seat in Caw's reed and the one seat in Craw's reed. One tile, two columns, so it has to be a tile that both lists allow. Caw's list is 7 and 8. Craw's list is 4 and 7. Only the 7 is in both, so the right corner is a 7. Now Caw's pair hands over the 8. Craw's pair hands over the 4, and the 2 places itself. Both edges press 1,314.
I swapped 2 tiles while you blinked, and Caw's total is still 1,314. So nothing is wrong.
Caw's total is still 1,314. You swapped 2 tiles that sit in the same column of his reed, so his columns hold exactly the same digits. But those 2 tiles are in different lines of my reed. Craw's edge should press 1,314. It now reads 1,512. The seal is broken. The front tiles warn you too. 4, 6, and 2. 12 hundreds. A total near 900 or near 2,000 could never be right. So always check a finished seal in both directions. 1 seal, 2 reeds. Tilt it one way and read 3 numbers down the slopes. Tilt it the other way and read 3 more. Start at the ones. Make the last digit match. Send every full 10 up as a flag. Cross a tile off as you seat it. And let the other reed finish what this one starts.
The last crate rolled out of Seedworks with both edges pressed and both reeds true.